My name is Mary T. Newman. I am with Native American Ministries in the Tennessee Conference, and we are going to do some salmon with some dill and lemon. Wild fish was a great resource for us. The oils we needed for our metabolism, and we used all of the fish. And so today we have a cedar plank, and if you soak this cedar plank in water, leave it submerged a good while, you can actually put it in the oven or by the fire. So this is already soaked, and we're going to slice some lemon. So we just use a little bit of olive oil. And like I said, you can use different things on this fish, but we're going to use olive oil, lemon, and some fresh dill. And let that bake in the oven on 375 for about 15 minutes. You just check it to see if it's flaky when you take it out of the oven. The oven is preheated. We're just going to slide that in there. And since the plank is wet, it won't catch on fire. So we had our baked salmon in the oven on a cedar plank, which will give it a smoky flavor. And you check your fish by seeing if it flakes. And I think this is done. We are ready for a feast.